I'm about to learn that a lot of people in this city want me dead. And at the top of that list is this guy.
If you want my mercy, shove that hole in the middle of your face and listen. You're gonna get me my diamond.
Won't let you down, Romy.
Let's make it $500,000. It's more fun if she's got competition.
You don't know who that is? Sounds like a dick.
Who's having a good time?
Go show those little bitches. You don't mess with Roman Sionis!
I'm the one that gets you scared. Not you, not Mr. J. Because I'm Harley fucking Quinn. Quinn and I broke up. I haven't told that to anyone.
My people singing. My people singing. My people singing.
If we're apologizing for shit, I should tell you something. I took your ring.
My ring?